Yo, what's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the wild world of meme coins without the boring fluff. Today we're zooming in on PEPE, yeah, that cheeky frog that's been hopping around the charts like it's auditioning for a viral TikTok. I've got this fresh Binance snapshot from early October 2025 right here, and it's screaming story time. Picture this, PEPE's chilling at $0.000000989 USDT, up a cheeky 2.7% in the last 24 hours, with a massive 9.21 trillion tokens traded. That's over $91 million in volume. Baby, but hold up, is this the calm before a massive pump? Or just another rivet in the pond? Let's unpack this chart like we're cracking open a cold one at a bull party. And I'll drop my no BS take on where this bad boy could moon next. Smash that like button if you're riding the PEPE wave, and let's jump in. First off, zoom out on that candlestick action. Those green and red bars telling the tale of glory and gut punches. Over the past few days, PEPE's been on a sneaky uptrend, clawing back from a dip around $0.0000964, the 24-hour low, to poke its head above $0.0001019 high. It's like the frogs shaking off a hangover from September's volatility. Remember that wild ride from late September 20th to early October 1st? The price dipped hard to $0.00009 something. But look at those bullish candles stacking up now, closing higher than they open. Volumes popping too. Those brown bars at the bottom are spiking like fireworks, hitting 2.59 billion on the big days, way above the 5-day average of 1.63 billion, and the 10-day at 1.60 billion. That's retail FOMO kicking in. Folks, whales might be loading up quietly while we're all memeing about it. If volume keeps this heat, we're talking real momentum, not just hot air. Now feast your eyes on those squiggly lines overlay, the EMAs. The EMAs, they're like the frog's roadmap to riches. That 7-period EMA, lime green, is hugging the price at $0.0001094, crossing bullishly over the 25 period at $0.0000956. Classic golden cross, vibes screaming by the dip. The longer ones, 50 period at $0.0000958, 100 at $0.0000982, 200 at $0.0001071. Price is dancing right in the middle, not smashed against resistance like a fly on the window. The Bollinger Bands are squeezing tight, around $0.000000933 to $0.000000989, which means low volatility right now. But we all know what comes after a squeeze, a volatility explosion. If it breaks upper band, we're eyeing $0.0000105 quick. SARS dotted under the candles at $0.000000972. That's support holding strong, like a trampoline for any pullback. And don't sleep on those purple volume-weighted lines. They're trending up, confirming buyers are in control. This ain't random, it's PEPE whispering. I'm not done hopping yet. Flip down to the oscillators. MACD's got that histogram flipping positive at $0.000000015, with a line crossing signal from below like a secret handshake. DIF at $0.000000016 over DEA at $0.0000009. Bullish divergence city. Momentum's building even if price chills sideways. RSI sitting pretty at 63.46. Not overbought, we're under 70. Few, but climbing from oversold territory like it's got places to be. That's the sweet spot for accumulation. Crew, enough juice to push higher without the rug pull jitters. Overall, this chart's got that electric pre-pump energy. PEPE's respecting key supports. Volumes validating the bounce. And indicators are aligning like stars for a meme coin miracle. It's not screaming 100x tomorrow, yet. But in this market, where Bitcoin's flexing and alts are waking up, PEPE feels like the underdog ready to steal the show. If you're in, set stops below $0.000000964. If you're eyeing entry, watch for a close above $0.00001. Pure frog magic, who's with me? PEPE price prediction. Where's the wallet draining moonshot? All right, crystal ball time, but real talk. This is based on current trends. Historical pumps, PEPE's ATH was $0.00028 back in 24. Wild right, and aggregated analyst vibes from spots like CoinMarketCap, Changelly, and CoinCodex as of October 2025. Remember, meme coins are volatility on steroids, DYOR, NFA, and only ape what you can afford to lose in a bad bet. Short term next week, end of October 2025, expect some chop. With RSI neutralish and MACD warming up, we could see a quick 10 to 15% pop to $0.00011 if volume holds. Testing that upper Bollinger, but broader market dips hello. BTC resistance might pull it back to $0.0000085 support. My call, sideways grind higher, closing the month around $0.0000102. That's a solid 3% gain from here, perfect for scalpers. Medium term November 2025, Q1 2026. This is where it gets juicy. Analysts are split but leaning bullish. Changely sees November maxing at $0.000011, while Coinpedia is eyeing $0.000012 min by year end. If PEPE rides the holiday hype and meme season, you know. When Twitter goes feral, I'm predicting a surge to $0.000015 by December 25, up 52% from now. Early 2026, hold for $0.000018 average, with a stretch to $0.000022 if it breaks ATH resistance. Bear case, dips to $0.000007 on profit taking, but volume says no full crash. Longer haul end of 2026, boom potential. Forecast range wild. Coin codex at $0.00000996 high, conservative. But investing havens calling $0.000055 peak if it respects $0.000001 floors. My realistic moonshot, $0.000028 revisit by mid-2026, ATH rerun, plus 183%, driven by community pumps and Ethereum ecosystem glow-up. Worst case, consolidates at $0.000012. By then, if PEPE is still top 50 memecoin, we're talking life-changing flips for early holders. Bottom line, PEPE's chart is primed for a hop, not a blind leap, but a calculated rivet toward greener pastures. If you're scripting this for YouTube, overlay some frog memes on those candles, crank the hype music, and end with a CTA. Drop your PEPE predictions below, $0.0001 or bust. Hit subscribe, turn on bells, and let's make those gains together. Peace out, gens.